Hi everybody, I just wanted to let you know that I've now changed the Advanced Behaviour Change Strategy workshop into e-learning. This workshop is designed to take your MI skills that you learn on the Behaviour Change and Motivational Interviewing workshop and now start to integrate some of the different techniques and skills from cognitive behavioural therapy. It's split into 5 modules. And each module has a practical element. In other words, there's some type of practical exercise to take away and do, a bit like we did in the behaviour change workshop. At the end of every module there are questions to make sure that you're going through the content, because you've got access to the new manual, which is very comprehensively referenced, and so that will be available. And certainly by the end of this workshop I would expect you to have a plan, and in fact it's one of the tasks in the last module, to plan out a client's behaviour change journey and look at the different resources and techniques that you might use combining MI and CBT to take your clients on this journey. It's not going to be cast in stone, because for every client there's going to be different techniques that you might think, do you know what, I'm going to use that one now and not this one. But it will certainly give you a rounded view, if you like, for behaviour change. And I would think, or I would hope, that you'd be able to take any particular client, depending on, regardless of where they are in their kind of change cycle, and move them along, and most importantly keep them moving throughout your program, and understand which techniques and methods are going to be best for your client. So hopefully you will find that useful. There is more information on the website. I will drop the link below this video so you can take a look. And as I say, all e-learning, so you can do it at your own pace. There's going to be no limitation on how long you'll have access for this. I'll just leave access open so you can kind of do it at your own pace. Any questions? There's a dedicated email for this, so whilst you're doing the workshop, I've put together a specific email, so if you watch something and think, oh, I don't quite get that, I don't quite understand it, you can email me and I'll know that you're on the workshop, and obviously I will respond to that, so as to try and give you some degree of interaction with me as well. Any questions, by all means email me or drop me a DM here. I'm happy to jump on a quick call if you want to discuss it further, and hopefully you'll find that a useful asset.